Meaning of de trop.
De trop.
De trop.
De trop.
De trop. De trop is a French phrase that means too much or excessive. In English, it is often used to describe something or someone who is unnecessary or unwanted in a particular context. For example, if someone brings an extra dish to a potluck dinner that no one asked for, they might be described as de trop. The phrase can also refer to a person who is unwanted or unneeded in a social situation. Overall, de trop conveys a sense of surplus or excess, implying that something or someone is superfluous and not needed.